Pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words that refer to the noun or pronoun that is the subject of the verb. The words myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves are reflexive pronouns. My brother built this computer himself. Be careful not to cut yourself with that knife. John was looking at himself in the mirror. Kate fell and hurt herself. Our cat washes itself after every meal. We baked the cake by ourselves. Come in, everybody, and find yourselves a seat. The children cleaned their room all by themselves. Bears like to rub themselves against a tree. The bird washed itself by splashing in a puddle. The players train every day to keep themselves fit. Have yourselves a good time. Here is a table to help you remember which reflexive pronoun to use with which personal pronoun. Singular personal pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. I. Subject pronoun. Myself. Me. Object pronoun. Myself. You. Subject object pronoun. Yourself. He. Subject pronoun. Himself. Him. Object pronoun. Himself. She. Subject pronoun. Herself. Her. Object pronoun. Herself. It. Itself. Plural personal pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. We. Subject pronoun. Ourselves. Us. Object pronoun. Ourselves. You. Subject object pronoun. Yourselves. They. Subject pronoun. Themselves. Them. Object pronoun. Themselves. Pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to people. The words mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs are possessive pronouns. This book is mine. Have you lost yours, Tom? This pen is mine and that one is his. Sarah has lost her cat. Is this cat hers? I can see our car, but where is yours? We've had our lunch, but they haven't had theirs. Here is a table to help you remember which possessive pronoun to use with which personal pronoun. Singular personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Plural personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. I, me, mine, we, us, ours. You, yours, you, yours. He, him, his. They, them, theirs. She, her, hers. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used for pointing out things. The words this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. This is my desk. This is the Ming's one house. That is my friend's house. That's my mother's car. You'll have to work harder than this. We can do better than that. It's raining again. This is awful. Who is that knocking at the door? Hi, Kathleen. This is Michael. These are my pets. These are sheep, but those are goats. Those are horses. Use this and these when you are talking about things near you. Use that and those when you are talking about things farther away.